Have you heard about boom cards? They're interactive, self-checking digital task cards that kids and teachers love. I'm Laura Candler from Teaching Resources, and I can't wait to introduce you to boom cards. These digital task cards are hosted on the Boom Learning platform, and students can play them at home and at school on just about any device, from computers to laptops to tablets and phones. You can even use boom cards with the whole class in a Zoom meeting or on an interactive whiteboard. They're also easy to assign in learning management systems like Google Classroom and Seesaw. You can create your own boom cards, or you can purchase them on Teachers Pay Teachers or directly from Boom Learning. When you preview my boom cards on TPT, you can watch a short video that shows the cards in action. You can also download a PDF with thumbnail images of every card in the deck. After making a purchase or downloading a freebie, open the PDF and click the cover image on page 2. You'll be taken to the Boom Learning website, where you'll be prompted to log in or to create a free account. After you do this, the boom cards will automatically be added to your library. The easiest way to assign boom cards is to use the Fast Play option. Find the deck in your library, click the Action drop-down menu, and generate a new FastPin code. Copy the link and give it to your students. When they click on the link, they'll be able to play the deck immediately without logging in. Kids love boom cards because they're so interactive. Some cards have clickable responses, while others have drag and drop movable pieces. Some cards, like this one, require students to type the answer. One reason teachers love boom cards is that they're self-checking, so students get immediate feedback when they submit their answers. Fast Play is the easiest way to assign boom cards, but this method doesn't track and store student data. If you want to view student performance data, you'll need to create a class and set up individual accounts. To get started, click on the Classes tab. If you use Google Classroom, you can import your class roster in just a few clicks. If not, you'll need to create each class and add students manually. Click the Assignments tab to assign decks of boom cards to the entire class or to individual students. Click the Reports tab to view your students' progress. From here, you can view results for each deck of boom cards, and you can see how each student has performed on every deck that you assign to them. You'll be amazed at the amount of student performance data you can access here. If any of this seems confusing, don't worry. Boom Learning has an extensive help section with dozens of step-by-step video tutorials and articles. You can find information about how to set up your class, how to assign boom cards to your students, how to generate reports, and much more. Are you ready to get started with boom cards? If so, head over to my TPT store and click on the Boom Cards category in the sidebar. After you purchase a deck or download one of my freebies, click the Access link in the PDF and let the fun begin.